Hey cold weather fans, it is 22 degrees out tonight, really cold. The lawn here has a pretty nice frost on it. Had to take the dog out, so I figured might as well snatch a cold start video of the 95 Astro. The XB was already out today, so no need to start that up. But the Astro hasn't been started since yesterday morning. So we're going to go ahead and step inside. Sit down on the ice cold vinyl seats and start it up. It is currently at 80,463 miles. Go ahead and set my phone down. I'm way past due to do a 1-year owner review of this van. I'm going to try to get that out in the next little bit if I can get a somewhat warm day. And it started right up as usual. Go ahead and let it run for a little bit. So there you go, cold start of the 95 Astro. And like I said, I'm going to try to get a 1-year owner review of this van out in the next little bit, so stay tuned.